early, and it ended up staying in the zone. I'm sure he's kicking himself and would like that pitch again.
Swing and a miss. He was late. Strike two.
He got away with one there, but he knows he can't go into that spot very often against a guy like this.
Swing and a ball lifted in the air. Chisholm giving chase. Drops into the glove. And there's one away.
Well, that's a tough play for the infielder, ranging back into the outfield. There's part of him that's saying, hey, where you at, outfielder? Call me off. But he stayed focused and made a nice catch right there.
On the ground to first. To second, Abrams. And they bounce into two already. This one ends. Set for the bottom of the third. Stepping in, number 17. Nobody on his team has been better at driving in runs this season, Singy. Late on that fastball.
Well, these guys definitely being aggressive at the plate, but I think it's fair to wonder if they're being a little over-aggressive. The numbers tell us they're swinging at the first pitch more than 90% of the time, and that's an extremely high number, especially when you're not getting results, Boog.
Strike three, and now 6 strikeouts in a row. Now a chance for Alec Burleson. Got it started a little too early. Strike one. Hit in the air, center field. Marte should have it. Makes the catch. And there's 2 down. Josue De Paula now at the plate. Swing and a miss. There's the slider. It's 0-1.
0-1's the count.
Comes up empty. That's strike 2.
You know, Boog, every team has a hitters meeting pregame, but this lineup seems way too anxious, aggressive.
That's strike 3 and the third out. So we take a break. And welcome back to the ballpark. New inning getting started. And now Cal Raleigh. He was late there. Strike 1.
You know, this group of hitters showing great discipline at the plate, and patience definitely seems to be the name of their game in this one. He's only given up 1 run, but the starter's pitch count is starting to get up there, and that might be the best news yet for this offense.
Got it. And he's registered 3 Ks in this one. Chipper Jones digs in now. 0 for 1 so far. And first offering is fouled off. And that's in the dirt.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Swinging a foul straight back. 1 out, base is empty. Fights that one away. Still 1-2. They got it for out number 2. 2 down, base is empty. Elly De La Cruz will hit next.
3-pitch strikeout last time up. Got to put up more of a fight in this one.
And it's through for a hit. And that keeps the inning going. So digging in, Matt McLain. Throw over to first, and he's back in there. Slow roller up the middle. They take the force out, and that is that. Bottom four, now Terry Pendleton. First pitch misses. And he blows that one by him at 100.
1 ball, 1 strike.
And 1-2.
Well, they just threw that fastball by him,
1 ball,
elevated,
2
and if
strikes.
you're not looking up in that location, very difficult to catch up to, especially with that velocity.
And a swing and a miss. Strikeout number 8. So now the DH spot, Hank Aaron. Yeah, big swing and a miss.
These hitters have been very aggressive early in the count, but when you're down, you might want to be a little more patient, take some pitches, see if you can extend those at-bats and get some base runners on.
See ya! Strikes him out for the 2nd time today. Here's C.J. Abrams to hit. And first offering is fouled off. 2 outs, base is empty. And it's fouled away. Struck him out swinging. And we're back. And now the right fielder, Luis Rengifo. Priester back to work. And that one fouled off. Down in the dirt, swing and a miss.
No ball, 2 strikes.
And down on strikes he goes. He's notched 4 strikeouts now. Next is switch hitting first baseman Tony Clark. Foul ball there.
He's been going after these guys consistently, and as a result, he's been able to keep his pitch count low, throwing the ball very well right now.
Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt.
Just a bit late on that 0-1 breaking ball. 0-2 hole now. He's going to have to shorten up, tighten things up if he's going to have a good at-bat.
Swing and a ball ripped right field, and that one back, and that one is gone. He sends it out of here, and they boost their lead. It's 2-0. Francisco Lindor, the next to hit. Outside with a breaking ball. To the right side, Chisholm. The throw to first. Lindor retired.
It's a good recovery, though, after giving up the home run. Not allowing it to stay in the head, but going to work at the next hitter, and a tough one at that.
And he grounds one to the right side. He takes it himself to the bag, and that'll do it. Back at Comerica Park, ready to go for the last half of the inning. And here's the first baseman, Michael Busch. Swinging a foul out of play.
Well, these players just aren't putting together very many good at-bats in this one. We're in the back half of the game, and they're still searching for a base runner. He's been great out there on the mound, no doubt, but it's also been a disappointing performance at the plate to this point.
Swing and a miss, struck him out. So up next, Jazz Chisholm Jr. He was a strikeout victim his first time. In the air, right field. Out number 2. Here's McCutchen. Went down on strikes his first time through. Out in front with the swing, and that is strike 1.
0-1.
That one at triple digits.
No
Well,
ball,
this
2
offense has
strikes.
just been locked down. Almost 5 full innings of shutout baseball.
Fights that one away, and the count remains 0-2. Swing and a miss. Curveball in the dirt. Up with it, fires to first.
He's out.
In time. So the drop third strike. Top of the 6th sixth inning. Profar climbs in on that left side. Profar gets a piece there. The 0-1. Tap foul at the plate. Foul ball. It stays 0-2.
Man, he'd like to have that pitch back.
Gets a piece, and it stays 0-2. That's inside.
That's inside.
Abrams makes the catch, and there's one gone. Now the catcher up to hit, Cal Raleigh. And the sweeper misses. Adam, in his 5th season, 33 years old, and he was a 5th-round pick back in 2010. Line drive, Chisholm. In plenty of time to first. 2 quick outs to open the top of the 6th. 2 outs, base is empty. Chipper Jones getting ready to hit. 0 for 2 in this one. That one fouled off. 2 outs. He swings and fouls one off. Now a step off the rubber to reset. Two down, nobody on. That's outside. 1-2 the count.
Well, he missed badly with that 0-2 fastball. Hitter has to understand, probably wants to try to put him away with that pitch, so got to stay ready for it.
DePaula snags it, and that'll do it. Back here in Detroit, and now the switch hitting catcher, number 17. Swing and a miss, strike one.
I'm impressed by the number of first pitch strikes. He's not afraid of contact. Some guys, they'll nibble just because they don't want to get hit hard. That's not what we're seeing here. And it really looks like these hitters have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent slider, but they've not been able to commit to one velocity and stay there.
Burleson swings through that one as he comes to the plate for the 2nd time today. Now a high fly ball out to left center. Profar has a beat on it. He's got it, and there's 2 away. Here's the left fielder, Josue DePaula. And that is out of play. Swing and a miss, and the count is 0-2.
0-2.
Swings through that one. It's a strikeout. And welcome back to the ballpark. Top of inning number 7. Now the third base. Baseman Ellie De La Cruz. Now a move being made for a pinch hitter, Brooks Lee.
Man, it must be nice to pull a superstar off your bench, huh?
Swing and a ground ball, and that one gets through into center field. Man aboard on the leadoff single.
Waste no time there. Just kept it simple. Played pepper with the middle of the infield and took it back where it came from, and there was just no one there to knock it down.
Next to hit, Matt McLain to the right side, and it goes just foul. Lee gets his lead at first, nobody out. Pinch hitter coming on, Ozzie Albies. A runner at first for him, nobody out. And that one upstairs, ball one. On the ground to first, could be two. To second, Abrams. He's out. On to first, double play.
Man, that is such a tough double play to execute as a first baseman, to not only field the ball and make a good throw to second with a runner in the baseline, but also to hustle back to first base and get set up to receive the return throw. That takes great footwork and an awareness of where the bag is. A lot of practice to get that one right.
Rengifo stands in here. Tried to hold back his swing there, but went around. Outside low, and 1-1. Swing and a drive, deep right field. That's back there.